Hi, my name is Ramkesh Patel and I am here to present gratitude to my college, IIMT College of Engineering, Greater Noida. I am in the final semester of BTech. In the beginning of the final semester, I have been placed in 4 different companies, namely Infosys, Amazon, Hyperfiltration and Glades Woodworkings. For all this, I am very thankful to my college faculty members who give me in-depth knowledge of every topic, and a special thanks to training and placement department who reshaped me in a better me with their endless support and hard work. They were standing by my side at every step to solve my problems and enlighten me while upgrading my skills. I am very grateful to IIMT for giving me such a good career start. Thank you, IIMT.